today's world, technology has transformed how we navigate outside. Outdoor navigation has reached new heights with GPS guiding us seamlessly across cities and highways.
But when it comes to indoors, especially complex indoor environments, finding your way remains a significant challenge.
Supermarkets can be time-consuming to navigate, and finding specific items often feels like a treasure hunt. Shoppers miss out on deals, and store employees can't assist everyone at once.
Indoor Guide eliminates this with a precise indoor localization system and with a mobile application, transforming your shopping experience.
At the heart of Indoor Guide is our Ultra-Wideband indoor localization system.
A compact UWB tag mounted on your shopping cart communicates with base stations to pinpoint your location within centimeters, even in highly dynamic environments. Our system seamlessly handles multiple tags, ensuring accurate tracking for every shopper in the store.
Unlike GPS, UWB provides windows overcoming dynamic obstacles to deliver real-time and accurate positioning.
The Indoor Guide mobile application is your personal guide. Simply input your shopping list, and our mobile application generates a customized path to collect your items efficiently. Deviate from the path? No problem. Our A-star pathfinding algorithm dynamically reroutes you in real time. Check off the items as you go, and our mobile application keeps you informed with real-time updates on ongoing deals, discounts, and offers on nearby items. Indoor Guide's transformer-based recommendation engine takes your shopping to the next level. Based on your shopping history, location inside the supermarket, and the selected items, our multi-attention based model suggests personalized recommendations or alternatives that match your needs. Indoor Guide isn't just for shoppers, it's a game changer for supermarkets too. By analyzing customer movement patterns and shopping data, Indoor Guide provides valuable insights into consumer behavior, improve product placement, and boost sales through targeted promotions. Indoor Guide saves time, reduces stress, and helps you discover deals, making every trip to the supermarket seamless and rewarding. Engineered for scalability, Indoor Guide can be deployed in any indoor environment, revolutionizing indoor navigation. This is Indoor Guide, guiding you every step of the way.